Subject pronouns. What are subject pronouns? Subject pronouns are the words we use to replace the subject, the person or thing doing the action, in a sentence. They help us avoid repeating names or nouns. I read books every morning. I read books every morning. I drink coffee before work. I drink coffee before work. I write letters to my friends. I write letters to my friends. I visit my grandparents on weekends. I visit my grandparents on weekends. I play the guitar in the evening. I play the guitar in the evening. You run in the park every day. You run in the park every day. You cook delicious meals. You cook delicious meals. You learn new skills quickly. You learn new skills quickly. You drive to the city on Fridays. You drive to the city on Fridays. You draw beautiful sketches. You draw beautiful sketches. He watches movies at night. He watches movies at night. He eats lunch with his family. He eats lunch with his family. He helps his neighbors often. He helps his neighbors often. He paints landscapes in his free time. He paints landscapes in his free time. He reads newspapers every morning. He reads newspapers every morning. She writes stories for children. She writes stories for children. She shops at the farmer's market. She shops at the farmer's market. She dances gracefully at the studio. She dances gracefully at the studio. She knits sweaters for her kids. She knits sweaters for her kids. She studies English every weekend. She studies English every weekend. It rains heavily in the spring. It rains heavily in the spring. It snows in the mountains during winter. It snows in the mountains during winter. It shines brightly in the afternoon. It shines brightly in the afternoon. It breaks easily under pressure. It breaks easily under pressure. It floats on the water effortlessly. It floats on the water effortlessly. We travel to new places every summer. We travel to new places every summer. We bake cookies for the holidays. We bake cookies for the holidays. We play board games on weekends. We play board games on weekends. We hike in the mountains in spring. We hike in the mountains in spring. We watch the stars at night. We watch the stars at night. They plant flowers in the garden. They plant flowers in the garden. They read books at the library. They read books at the library. They organize events for the community. They organize events for the community. They sing songs at the party. They sing songs at the party. They build sandcastles on the beach. They build sandcastles on the beach. I am happy. I am happy. I am a student. I am a student. I am at home. I am at home. I am tired. I am tired. I am ready. I am ready. You are my friend. You are my friend. You are smart. You are smart. You are at school. You are at school. You are funny. You are funny. You are a good singer. You are a good singer. He is my brother. He is my brother. He is tall. He is tall. He is at the park. He is at the park. He is kind. He is kind. He is a good teacher. He is a good teacher. She is my sister. She is my sister. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. She is at the market. She is at the market. She is shy. She is shy. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. It is a cat. It is a cat. It is cold today. It is cold today. It is in the garden. It is in the garden. It is very small. It is very small. It is a good idea. It is a good idea. We are best friends. We are best friends. We are in the same class. We are in the same class. We are happy. We are happy. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. We are at the beach. We are at the beach. They are my parents. They are my parents. They are kind. They are kind. They are in the kitchen. They are in the kitchen. They are excited. They are excited. They are good at soccer. They are good at soccer.